Yeah, I think it's working. Look what I found. 3 tractors out here growed up in the weeds. And the trees, they've been there a while. An old 1020s. This one, when I got it, the engine would turn over. It's a little on the rough side. These other 2 are even rougher. That one's got rubber front. This one's got steel front. That one's got rubber front. And I think one of them, I was checking around, one of them, the radiator wasn't no good. But I don't know where's enough here out of the 3 to make one. But we'll find out. And I don't know whether the camera's working or not. Yeah, I guess it's still working. And here's a Case 400 parts tractor. It's got 1 usable tire. Anyhow, I cut off some of these big bushes, whatever they are. Got a whole bunch of little weeds growing around. I'm going to back here and spray them so this stuff don't get too far out of control. And look at there, there's a little B Alice and a SC case, part of an F20 Farmall, 2 homemade tractors. There's stuff everywhere. There's a Avery V and a good McCormick 1020. Alright, we'll see what this, let's try this. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's see if we can shut it off. Alright, I'm back out here with my old camera. Let's see how much difference it was. There's the old 1020. The engine wasn't stuck when I got it. Here's some of the weeds are starting to wilt. And I already got the Roundup sprayed on all the smaller weeds. There's the other 2 F20s, or 1020s. One of them's got a bad radiator, I know. Fenders are beat up pretty bad. That one's got steel front wheels. And this is a little Case 400. What do they call it? A 400B. That's just parts. Got 1 decent 36-inch tire there. And let's see. I took a picture of the little B Alice, the F20, and the SC case. 2 homemade tractors. And there's a good 1020 and an Avery V and my cement mixer. I was playing with the close up and far away on that other camera. It didn't seem to make any difference, so this is what the old one looks like when I do it. And looky there. There's Kitty soaking herself. Alright, that's enough.